From my upcoming book, My Choral Symphonies. I couldn't play the fiddle and failed on the guitar, but my songs were beautiful. They came from near and far. I couldn't play the mandolin, I could not jump and spin, but my romantic melodies brought many a sweet girl in. I failed at nearly everything. My hopes were things that flew, but oh, my choral symphonies were honored by a few.